Let's take a look at how we can add data to a table when we don't have all the information at once. If we look at this insert statement, then we are adding three pieces of data to a table that has three columns. So every column gets something. There is something stored in every column on this specific row. But sometimes we don't have all the data for all the columns when we want to add data to a table. So that means that some columns will not receive data and some columns will receive data. And in cases like these, we have to specify which columns will get data. So let's look at an insert statement that specifies the rows that will get data. So again, it starts with insert into, followed by the table name, products. And now we have to specify the columns that we will add data to. And we do that in parentheses. So here we add the names of the columns that we will insert data into. And we will insert data into product ID and product name. So this time we don't have the price of the product. So the column product will not get data. This is followed by the keyword values. And from now on, it follows the same pattern as the previous example. We add the data in parentheses. So this product will have the product ID 2 because the column product ID is the primary key and it can't have duplicate data. And the product is pants. And that's it. We don't add a price. So we have specified that we are going to add data to these two columns, and here we have specified the data that we will add. So again, I only want to run this line of code, so I will select this line and I will press F5. And we see here one row affected. That is the feedback we get from the database, and that is what we want. Now we right-click on the products table and select top 1000 rows. And here we have the row that is incomplete. We have the product ID, which is 2, the product name is pants, and the price doesn't have a data, so it's a null.